I'm going to show you how fast and easy it is to build a massive, hyper-engaged following and generate unlimited traffic, leads, and sales with AutoSoci. So I'm logged into the dashboard and I've connected my Twitter account. Now I'm just going to go down to where it says Twitter, and I can create manual posts, but what I want to show you is the campaigns. When we click on this, it allows us to create campaigns. And for every campaign we make, if we click Add New, we just enter our campaign name, and it can be whatever you want. Then you're going to choose the source of content, Facebook, YouTube, and even Giphy. And then you just type in a keyword for something that you want to be able to post. It will search all of those sources and it will automatically post for us. Then we just save that and our campaign will run automatically. You can set the priority for your campaigns, you can turn campaigns on and off, and you can obviously remove them too if you want. And you can add multiple keywords and multiple campaigns. Then what will happen is the software will automatically go in and it will find things to post for us. So if we click on the drop down, we can look at any of our campaigns and we can go in and see, and it will show us exactly what it's going to post. So it pulls up the post. It does it by keyword. If we want to post it instantly, we can just click here. If we want to delete it because we don't want it to post, we can click here. Otherwise, it will automatically post to our account at the time and date that's listed down below. So you can create unlimited campaigns. You can preview all of the content that's going to be going out in your account, and you can also delete it or post it instantly. And that's just the start. We can go down here to where it says connect, and this is where the real magic starts to happen. We click on engagement settings, and this allows us to choose what Twitter influence and followers we want to gather and we want to connect with. You can choose worldwide or any region or any area if you want to be specific to one particular area. Then if you choose Smart Engage, there are 4 aspects of it. There's Smart Mentions, Smart Follows, Favorites, and Retweets. We can automatically send a welcome message to all of our new followers. We can automatically unfollow those who aren't following us, and we can follow users by search. Now let me show you how cool this is and how this works. When we go down to where it says Smart Engage, what this is going to allow us to do is we can add keywords in here. And so if we've got entrepreneur and solopreneur so far, we can add as many as we want. So let's just say we're going to add business, and you can include or exclude specific keywords. You can choose your language, and you can choose whether it needs to be exact match. Then we just save our keyword. And what that's going to do for us is now the software is going to automatically go out. It's going to find other keywords related to posts that we have and followers that we have that we can add to our list in one click. If you want to add any of these, you just click them, and this list will keep updating. You can also join lists of different types of Twitter users. Again, it shows you the number of subscribers and the number of members of each. This will continue to update. If you add any of them, it'll show them to you right down here. So if we go here and we decide we want to add this, we click this, we go ahead and we add it, and now we're added to that list as well. And so we can connect with other people. We're going to go over to where it says Smart Follow. And what's brilliant about this is this will show us a list of all the targeted accounts that we're going to automatically start to follow. So right here you can see the name, the description, the number of followers and tweets that they already have. Now again, if you want to follow them instantly, you just go ahead and click that. So the software is going to automatically connect you with influencers in your market related to your keywords and related to the niches that you do business in. And again, this is going to dynamically update. So every day it's going to continue to update, and it will automatically follow these people for you. You can also check out Smart Retweet. It's going to find tweets that are out there that are already geared toward your market, and it's going to show you ones that it's going to automatically retweet for you. Now, if you decide, oh, you know, this one isn't really one that I want, you can delete it so it won't retweet it. But otherwise, it'll automatically retweet it for you. Now, here's where it gets really exciting. You go over to where it says quote text, and you can actually add text that it's going to put before it retweets it. This gives the appearance of it being totally manual and totally user engaged. Because what will happen is if we add one in here and we say cool post, right? And then we save that, what'll happen is now we have three different quotes that are listed here. And so with the first one, it'll use I love this, and then it will retweet this. For the second one, it'll do cool post and it'll retweet this. For the third one, it'll use cool post because that's what I used again, and it'll retweet this. For the fourth one, it'll go back up to the top and use this one again. So you could create a bunch of different custom quote texts and it will rotate through them so each of your retweets looks different and unique. That is going to build massive engagement with your audience because they're going to see that you're retweeting their content. Then we go over to Smart Favorites. It's the same type of idea. It will allow you to automatically favorite other people's tweets. And then Smart Mention is really the next level cutting edge stuff. Statistics show that the most effective way to engage other influencers on Twitter is by mentioning them. It's not just about retweeting or following, it's about mentioning stuff that they've tweeted. So if we go in here into Smart Mention, you will see all the upcoming mentions. Again, you can always delete them if you want, but it will allow you to put in custom text that it will put in there. So for example, that's an interesting take, user. So what'll happen is it'll take this and it will automatically add this person's account at Curation Suite, and then it will put in what your text is. So it'll say, hey, at Curation Suite, that's an interesting take. And then on the next one, it'll say, at Reach and Resonate, I hadn't thought of it that way. So you can add as many mention texts as you want as well, and you can even link their website in there. So you could do this, you could say, hey user, I love your website. And then what you can do is you could put in website. And what will happen is if they have a website listed on their profile, it will automatically add that to the mention. So not only does it mention them, but it also draws attention to their website. That is going to get them excited about connecting with you because you're getting them extra exposure and traffic. So that's how the Smart Mentions work. And this allows you to automatically engage. It allows you to build a massive social profile and massive social influence. Now, that's how fast and easy it is with AutoSoci. And that's just a quick overview of some of the features. There's actually a lot more that you can do to absolutely skyrocket your results. And it's so fast and easy. All you do is choose the options just like I showed you, and that's it. The software goes and does all the work for you. You can check in at any time and it'll show you previews of what it's going to do for you. But if you don't touch it, it will automatically run on its own. The software works for you hands-free, making it literally plug and play. And because it makes posts, it engages followers, and it generates traffic, clicks, and sales 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It's the most powerful social marketing tool on the market. Get AutoSoci today.